Ito, malakas to. Ayan, mga tingatian mamaya.
Try lang natin. Thank you. Finally, matatry na natin.
Tingnan nga.
Ha? Oh my God!
Anong lasa?
Yan.
Chick.
Ayun, no?
Guys, tuwing nanonood kami ng mga vlog, ito talaga yung nakikita ko. And gusto ko talaga itong wheat farm. Super yummy talaga siya.
Ayan. Yummy nga, oh. Favorite niya kasi yan, guys. Kaya sa akin. Bang! Pati sa feet.
Ayaw mo pa kanina eh.
Si Daddy ayaw kanina. Ayaw ni Daddy.
Uli lang.
Ano, baby?
Pag malakas yung hinga mo,
Oo.
malulubog ka. Relax lang. Yeah, feel the water. Feel the water. Feel the water.
1, 2, 3. Damn.
Daddy ko! Hi guys, we just went for a little bit of a quick swim. And grabe, nagtalon kami there and it was so nice. Kaso I can still taste the gasoline from the daong of the boats. Grabe ang ganda dito. I wish you guys could all see this. Diba? Look at that. The beauty of nature.
Sabi niya bagay.
May nagbobolahan pa.
Ayan, guys. Gutom na si Mami. Soup muna kami. Yeah. Ito, para siyang egg soup. Rice.
Pumpkin and egg wrap.
Ano?
Pumpkin egg wrap.
Wala pa yung ulam. Nag-order kami ng crab tsaka shrimp. Hey, baby. Hungry na?
I'm waiting for the delicious crab.
Okay, yeah. Alam ko na. Pag ganito. Para magkasya.
Eat na. Hungry ka na. Eat ka na. So we have the salt and pepper crab. And then we have the garlic buttered shrimp. Okay, my baby is super hungry. She cannot wait anymore. Hungry, Daddy? Let's eat na. Go.
Feels so good.
I love the
after
soup.
Eating.
It's so
I mean,
nice.
after swimming.
Right? Hungry ka na. Oh, and the baked oyster. Meron pa tayong adobong pusit.
Ayun ang inantay ko.
Ako din.
Short to eh.
Guys, actually we're already done eating as you can see, but my baby was still hungry, so we ordered another batch just for her. This is the salted egg shrimp. Okay, you eat na, baby girl. Do you need a plate?
Yep.
Okay.